How can everyone view your story in Snapchat? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you do like if you want, of course. The first step is to open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening guys, go here on your profile, then click. Then go to here to settings and click. Then go down and go to view my story, then click, and then now you will choose who can view my story. You will change it to everyone. You will click on everyone like this, and that's it. Just you will back and it will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel in up, and see you next video.